The best bicycle seats for women. Every child has joyful memories attached to bicycle rides in their childhoods. If you love riding bicycles as an adult, here's our list of the best bicycle seats for women that can make riding a bicycle easy, enjoyable, and comfortable. Without a good seat, it can become strenuous and demotivating to continue to ride the two-wheeler. These bicycle seats provide you with adjustability and ease without worries about chafing, injuries, and discomfort. So, if you've decided to buy one for yourself or send a gift to someone you know, you've arrived at the right place. With various designs and sizes, explore our list of bicycle seats for women to pick the one that best suits your cycling needs. So, watch on to make an informed decision. Number 1. Best Universal Fit. Bikeroo Oversized Comfort Bike Seat. This Bikeroo bike seat for women is engineered to offer a comfortable seating experience when on the move. It spares you from terrible back pain and body aches that usually accompany a bike ride. The seat is designed to spread out the pressure and body weight, resulting in a painless riding experience. Its constriction makes it suitable for both indoor as well as outdoor bikes. Thanks to its universal rails mounting mechanism, it fits all mountain, cruiser, fixed gear, and road city bikes. Packaged along with the seat are a saddle adapter, waterproof seat protector, mounting tools, and mounting instructions. Pros: premium foam, extra padding, soft elastomer suspension, ergonomic design. Cons: may squeak and creak a little after installation. Number 2. Best Padded. ILG Oversized Comfort Bike Seat for Women. ILG has gone the extra mile to make its bike seat comfortable for women. The bike seat is padded with high-quality elasticity and premium-quality memory foam. The entire surface of the bike seat is covered carefully with PVC leather that is waterproof and wear-resistant, keeping comfort as its primary concern. The company has designed the seat with a large arc to ensure that leg movement is not compromised while riding the bike. Its surface area of it is large, allowing one to sit comfortably for prolonged periods. Last but not least, the breathable design of the seat keeps it fresh and reduces perspiration. Pros: ergonomic design, strong shock absorption, universal fit, easy to install. Cons: it may not be best suited for those who are on the heavier side. Number 3. Best Ergonomic. BLUEWIND Red Mountain Bike Seat. Built to last. This bike seat by BLUEWIND is crafted from the finest grade of high-density memory foam. The seat is covered by POW leather that is waterproof, making it suitable for all types of climatic conditions. With comfort at the forefront, the company has ergonomically designed the seat. The front of it is smooth and is half an inch narrower than conventional bike seats. That ensures that it does not make contact with the thighs and also eliminates leg and back pain. If you're thinking of going on a long journey by bike, this bike seat won't disappoint. Included with this bike seat are the necessary mounting tools. Pros: noiseless, extra shockproof, easy installation, universal fit. Cons: the plastic cover under the saddle may loosen over time. Number 4. Best Breathable. Xmifer Universal Replacement Bike Seat for Women. A bike seat is only as good as the comfort it offers and the pain it alleviates. Keeping true to this is Xmifer with its bike seat for women. Built with premium and high-density memory foam, the seat offers a comfortable and memorable riding experience. It is made from breathable material that allows for effective heat dissipation. The dual-spring suspension of the seat absorbs vibrations and makes the ride smooth. The convex shape of the bike seat eliminates aches and pains while riding. Last but not least, the seat is enclosed with artificial microfiber leather that is resistant to wear and tear and water. The saddle adapter, safety strap, wrench, and mounting tools are included with the bike seat. Pros: extra wide seat, easy to install, universal fit, nightlight safety strap. Cons: the seat locking teeth may wear out after a while. Number 5. Best for long rides. IPOW Comfort Bike Seat for Women. IPOW has manufactured a work of brilliance that is known popularly for its ergonomics. The seat has a 3.5-inch thickness and a width of 7.5 inches, making it suitable for long journeys. The thick and high-density memory foam forms the heart of this seat. The padding allows one to sit comfortably in the same posture for extended periods. One of the highlights of this car seat is its uniquely created breathable hollow. This improves heat dissipation and reduces perspiration, keeping you and the seat fresh. This bike seat is suited for indoor and outdoor use and fits all bicycles. The package includes the bike seat along with all the necessary equipment for installation. Pros: good shock absorption, red warning strip, waterproof, wear and tear proof. Cons: it may not be best suited for those above 150 pounds. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products as it will make your life much easier.